Hello my lovely people, I'm back again with another video, and in this video I will talk about that how you can enhance your life through 80-20 principle. So without any delay, let's get started. Yes, you heard that right. You can enhance your life through 80-20 principle. What if I say you that you can add hours to your days and enhance your work, productivity, health, happiness and almost n number of things, because this principle works in about every possible scenarios of life. So before going straight to the ways that how you can implement in your life, let's talk about that what is 80-20 principle is all about. 80-20 principle was invented in 1895 by Vilfredo Pareto. He is an Italian economist, and during his research he found out that 80% of Italy wealth is controlled by 20% population, and this is the groundbreaking discovery he has made during his lifespan. As the time passes, business tycoons started using this principle to generate their revenues. And if you are thinking that this principle is all about money thing, then you are absolutely wrong, because nowadays people started using this principle in almost every aspect of their life. I will give you 4 tips so you can easily implement this principle in your life. First tip is for those people who want to increase their productivity. First, you have to find out 20% of work that gives you 80% of result, and then you have to track all the time you spend on project, each hour, each day for 1 week. After analyzing this, you have to ask question to yourself that how many projects are necessary to you, how many projects are taking closer to your goals, and how many projects are just waste of time. After analyzing this, you will realize that at end of the month you actually increased your productivity and you have n number of hours for enjoyment. Second tip is for those people who are in the marketing sector. So this principle goes like you have to find 20% of customer that are providing you 80% of revenue, rather than wasting your time on those 80% of customer that are just providing you 20% of profit. Don't take my words in a wrong way. I'm not saying that you have to neglect those 80% of customer. I'm just saying that you don't have to spend n number of hours on them, because at last those 80% of customer are just providing you 20% of revenue. So when we talk about the business always runs on the profit, and when you implement this principle, you will definitely generate the profit. Third tip is for those people who are looking for happiness in your life. You have to take only 20% of your experience that are providing you 80% of happiness. And being a human, we have a tendency to give priorities to 2 things. Number 1, that we always move towards the pleasure, and second, we always move away from the pain. And by implementing this principle, we can easily differentiate between that what gives us pain and what gives us happiness. Fourth tip is for those people who want to increase their health and physique. You know, there is a fact that 80% of muscle is built on the last 20% of reps we made, and CrossFit exercises are the best example of this principle. And there is a research which says that 7 to 14 minute exercises are more beneficial than long hour workout. Spending more time on something is not always a good thing. You know what is the sad fact about our mind? That our mind is full of thoughts that working more will always provide us more result. But this is not our goal. Our goal is to be more effective, more efficient, happy, and at last we have to enjoy our life. I hope these tips will help you to enhance your life. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, keep enhancing.